India makes this product which is selling at 40 times the price in the US market and could be your next money making opportunity. Multani Mitti sells for 100 rupees a kilo, but in the US, people are paying 4,000 rupees for it. In fact, Forest Essentials sells it for 12,000 rupees a kg. While Multan in Pakistan is the global leader, Barmer district in Rajasthan is where you can find this mud in tons. You just need to dig it out from the ground, clean it, package it, and start selling. It has several use cases in pharma, in textiles, in fact, even to clean the Taj Mahal. However, you don't want to sell them to these industries because there it's just a commodity. What you need to focus on is building a skincare brand focused around Multani Mitti, saying that it's a natural product that pulls out all the oil from your skin, cleans your pores, and gives you glowing skin. In fact, if positioned to Gen Z and millennial audiences on social media, you can actually create a fad and make massive profits. I've given an entire business model in PDF in the description below where you can start it by investing less than 10 lakh rupees. So what are you waiting for? And share it with someone who may need it.